I thought I'd do something a little different today and get in front of the camera. I'm not very comfortable with it. I'd rather have a GoPro at the back of my head in an airplane. But I do want to say thank you for your really nice comments on my videos. I enjoy reading them and sharing experiences with you. I do want to say I passed my private pilot check ride. 150 hours, 2.5 years, long journey. So if you're feeling a little bit challenged, can be done. I will be sharing my check ride experience in another video with respect to the DPE. One of the questions that I get a lot is, how did I get started into flying? What motivated me to become a private pilot? I was going through a negative time, a negative experience in my life, and if that didn't happen, I wouldn't be a private pilot. So it just goes to show you, if you're going through bleep in life, that you can take that situation, turn it around into a life-changing event. With no disrespect to anybody involved, I'd like to share my story with you. I was a competitive slalom skier for over 30 years. I started to feel a little burned out. My boyfriend bought a Diamond DA-40 airplane, and I would fly with him occasionally. I was having a great time, and I found flying exhilarating. Now, our relationship did have some ups and downs, just like most relationships do. But we still had some great times together. So after a nice dinner with my family, I hopped into November 3524 Quebec. I remember the feeling when I first took off. I can't even explain it. Mark took me on a discovery flight that included south along the shore, around Miami, and sightseeing, and a beautiful sunset. And when we came back, he said, the next time that you come, I'll sign your logbook. Let's get it set up. And I said, oh no, this was just a birthday gift to myself. So I went home and I thought about it. And I said, you know, I can do this. I took a look at my budget. I thought I could set some money aside each month to fly. And I got about 1 to 2 lessons a month. And this is one of the reasons that it took me so long. There's other parts of the story, but that would just make this video way too long.
Tango, traffic 2 o'clock, 2 miles, westbound. Most indicates 2000.
Looking for the traffic. I descended a little bit to avoid that. Echo Tango.
Roger. Great, Echo Tango, pre-station traffic now. 3 o'clock, 3 miles, turn into the north, no factor, most indicates 2000.
Okay, still looking, don't have him in sight. Echo Tango.